Hello and welcome to iEmpire Academy, home of the Knights. At iEmpire Academy, we pride ourselves in molding our rising entrepreneurs into being active and involved citizens, focused on academic achievement, character development, and service to the community. Our goal since our inception in 2010 has been to work collaboratively with families and community stakeholders to ensure our rising entrepreneurs are equipped with the foundational tools, skills, and resources necessary to be successful in high school and beyond. In the classroom, iEmpire Knights are exposed to rigorous instruction in core content areas, while at the same time provided differentiated instructional support aimed at meeting their unique academic needs through both enrichment and intervention opportunities. In addition, our rising entrepreneurs are exposed to early financial literacy and entrepreneurship concepts and work collaboratively in teams regularly in order to solve problems and set goals. In order to foster a positive school environment, we create ongoing opportunities that foster a sense of community through our monthly family nights and student celebrations, such as our family barbecue and student talent show. We are proud to offer a safe environment that prepares our rising entrepreneurs for a successful future. We look forward to welcoming you and your child into the iEmpire Academy family.